test today. Now let's begin. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Nancy.
Nancy, how do you spell your name?
Nancy.
Good job. How are you today?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
What animals do you like?
I like net.
Snake. What do you want to be?
I want to be doctor.
A doctor. Okay, look at the picture, Nancy. What animal is it?
Tiger.
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger.
What can a lion do?
It can jump.
Good. Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is.
Good. What is that up for?
Oh, it's a hop.
What number is it?
It's number 10.
Good.
30.
Good job. Okay, so this is the end of our speaking test today.